Today, in the activity of Challenger versus Defender, the topic is Hindi medium school versus English medium school. So, this team will tell about English medium school, and that team is in favor of Hindi medium school. Let's listen their debate.
Okay. What is the difference between English medium and Hindi medium? What is in your opinion?
There is a
No.
great differences between Hindi medium and Hindi medium and English medium.
What is the reason?
A lot of reason because today
Hindi.
it is the demand of the English medium school and also Indian English conversation because we all here gather for the English Oriental languages and communications. So you know that this is the very effective and very important for this generation or era because there is no getting more chance and higher education or fulfill their needs except besides this language.
But say
as I see,
कोई भी एक बोलिए
Hindi
एक
is
बार
our national
स्पीक
language.
वन
Yes.
How can you say
English is
that?
our- yes.
It is not our national language. Then
No,
it is just related with the nation. Yes. No. If you just go to the NHK book, it's proof that no.
there is no question answer session. You have to
No, no.
put your idea, okay?
It
You
is
have
not
to
our
speak-
national language.
Only one way.
Yes.
It is decided that the maximum number of people are just talking with or making conversation in Hindi. That's why it is just make as a one of a state, or we can say that the state type of language. It is not our national language. In our country, there is no language should be decided as a national language.
but what you support, Hindi or English?
English.
We are supporting
Always
English,
supported in English.
English
Because it is
medium
also very
schools.
helpful for the upliftment of a child.
We are supporting in English
It is
medium
not
school.
matter of school, language.
Now you are supporting Hindi medium schools. Okay. Now you have to put your points in favor of your topic. Okay.
Okay, sir. If you qualify,
Yes.
you will jump in.
Don't take it personal.
No.
How many?
It is supposed that
Let us listen. You will accept.
Yes.
Why you say?
No. At that time when he is selected as a BPSC teacher, at that time he has to just teach in a Hindi or English or Hindi or English subject.
He is accepted Hindi and English medium. As a teacher of English, he teaches the child English, always English. Either he admitted in BPSC or not. You see, several facilities were available. There are many schools in the towns, and there were many children studying in the schools in the.
Put your ideas in favor of your Hindi medium school, and we will put ideas in favor of English medium school. Now tell us why.
What is the reason?
There is no need of English medium.
How can you say that?
Hindi is our mother tongue.
How can you say that Hindi is essential for us?
English is our mother tongue.
Yes.
No.
You know
Then how it will be?
first.
How it will be?
Listen.
Are you giving
In your village, you talk in English medium. You do not talk in English medium. Why do you English medium? What is the reason? Tell me.
our native language? Not in either Hindi or English. I am talking only in Hindi. Sorry,
You accepted. I talking in Hindi.
I am not accepting it. I just say that I am talking in my native language, not either in English or Hindi.
Always you are not talking English only now.
No.
Here you are talking sentence in your
My
mouth.
native language. What you say about
Hindi is our
it?
mother tongue.
I don't know. Hindi is not my language.
Effective and demandable.
Hindi is not your mother tongue.
Because we
Then?
cannot our impression or our attitude from the other sides or other institutions except this language.
Have Hindi medium school students have not got in a good post. Tell me. Tell me.
Where?
There are different places. They have got several types of the post.
Where?
English medium.
We have not collected any Hindi medium schools presenting the data.
Now English medium schools are far better than the Hindi medium school. Now I am putting my points how. Because all the subjects except Hindi and Sanskrit are being taught in English. And if you are not good in English, now how will you go ahead? You are not good. You have to put
which
your point. First of all, tell me.
which
Let me
organization
speak
you are
first.